YouTube? It's your girl Rochelle Zhane, and welcome back to another video. Okay, so if you have not read by the title, today is going to be a summer must-haves video, and I am so excited for this because actually I don't have that much stuff to show y'all, but I have a few things that I want to show y'all that I just feel like is essential for 2021 summer. Like, hello, if you want to have a hot girl summer, you need to have these items, period. But before we get into the video, please make sure that you like, comment, and make sure you subscribe if you want to see more videos like this and more, because yeah, I posted my empty apartment tour earlier this year, and I was supposed to be dropping a whole bunch of videos after that, but that didn't happen, so we just gonna start over fresh. I've been waiting so long to unbox this Coach bag, y'all. Like, I got it before Mother's Day, I believe, and I've been waiting to get my hair done so that I can film this video for y'all and unbox it on camera for y'all. And I'm just not getting my hair done, so I'm just now unboxing it. And I have not unboxed it, I have not looked at it since I got it. It's probably been a month now. Let's get into this video because I want to unbox this, and I know y'all want to see this too, so let's go. So this is the bag that it came in. I did get this at the Coach store. It was the last one that they had. I literally was searching for this bag forever. If y'all know, apparently the bag was going really viral on TikTok, but I never saw any TikToks about it, so I'm not sure. But I know for a fact that Aaliyah J posted a picture of it. I first saw the picture on Twitter, and literally after she posted it, I just kept seeing everybody with this bag, and I'm like, I needs to have it. I got to have it. Like, this is definitely a summer staple for a box, because I like to have boxes with my stuff, okay? I like to hang my stuff up in my closet and have look at all my boxes. So in the future, once I've actually done finishing furnishing my apartment, I will do an apartment tour and y'all will see how my closet looks. But anyway, so this is the box that it came in. A nice little black box. I don't know what the material is. Not gonna say what the material is because I don't know. Okay, it comes with this little brown bow, and I actually got a custom made little I don't even know what this is called, y'all. I am so bad. Like, I don't even know what this is called. Y'all know. I'm not sure if they do it at all locations and if it's a ongoing thing, but they did have a lot of different colors for Mother's Day, and they were like, you know, trying to get you to get them customized for Mother's Day. And I was with my mother when we were at the Coach store, and she really wanted one, and they gave me a free one with my bag. So yeah, and I got the brown color to kind of go with the bag, even though it didn't really go with the bag, but they didn't have another color that I really wanted. But anyway, let's get into it. Okay, let's take this ribbon off. So this is the little key tag up close, and it just has RZ. And well, my mom has this on her keychain, but I mean, you can really add it to anything. So it was only like $12, I believe. They had a machine that you could watch them put the stuff on, so I would definitely check your local Coach and see if you can get one made. And this is my first ever unboxing, my first ever anything haul, so y'all just bear with me, okay? And also, I was going to say to don't mind my background because I still have to get some more some more grass to cover the bottom. So just bear with me, y'all. Just bear with me. But anyway, yeah, so it's really wrapped up with this little sticker. And y'all, I literally have not seen this bag since I got it. Like, I'm so hyped. So that was all that was in it, y'all. Are y'all ready? Because it's a moment. She's a moment, definitely. Definitely, okay? Like, I'm just so it already comes with one of the little, once again, I don't know what they're called, but this one is actually like fluffy, like little puffy. This one is not. But like I was saying, they didn't have another color, but I feel like this dark color still kind of goes with this, so I'm not too mad. This is the ivory color Coach Pillow Tabby, and this is in the 26. I need means a big bag, okay? The mini one is not that bad. I just don't want to just fit myself all in there, you know? This is a bag that I actually want to wear places, and I might have stuff with me, who knows? Was not, you know, all super duper wrapped up, because this was actually sitting on the shelf when I went to the Coach store, and it was the last bag that they had. So I'm so glad that I got my hands on it. But I believe that they actually restocked online. I'm not sure if they restocked in the store, but I'm pretty sure that this color is restocked online. So when you open it, it comes with this little strap, and honestly, I do like the strap for this bag. I just wish that it had a gold chain, because I just like gold chains better, and I just feel like it's giving it a little something else. So I will be going onto Amazon to order me some type of chunky strap, chunky chain for this, because I just love a chain moment. But this strap is doing what it gotta do too, okay? But we just like chains. But I can't, I don't know if I'm really gonna be wearing it with this strap though. I think I just want to wear it like, I don't know, who knows? I'm gonna be a different girl every date that you see me. I'm gonna be a different mood anytime. So when you open it up, it's giving this a lot of space. So if you have this bag and you are looking for shoes to go with this bag, like literally perfectly, Tory Burch has these slides called like double sport or something like that, and they literally have a ivory color with gold accent. When I tell you I was about to be the hottest bitch this summer, but unfortunately my feet are too big and I could not fit their 11, and they don't have a 12, so I'm gonna still be a hot bitch, but just not in those shoes. But I have a bag though. So this bag is around $500. I think it's like $4.95, so a little over $500 with tax. And honestly, I feel like that is definitely worth the money, because for one, Coach has really good quality. I know people don't really wear Coach like that anymore, but they really do offer good quality items, and I actually do still shop at Coach, so I don't care. But yes, I definitely think that this bag is worth the investment, even the mini one. So yeah, I feel like, yeah, this is definitely a statement for the summer, and y'all should definitely go get it. And I will put the Tory Burch shoes, hopefully I can put a little image of the Tory Burch shoes right here, because they literally go so perfectly with this bag. It's crazy. I'm so mad that I couldn't fit them. I had to return them, and now I'm on the search. So if y'all have any suggestions, or like any ivory color sandals that would go perfectly with this bag, comment below, because I'm in the looks. I'm searching for them. So we're just gonna go on to our next item. That was the first bag, and the last bag that I have today is this little pink purse from Guess. And this purse is around $70. I believe it was probably like $60, $68, $70. I'm not sure the specific amount, but I feel like this purse is definitely worth the price. It is so freaking cute. If you are looking for a like Prada dupe, because I feel like this basically is like the Prada bag. If you are looking for a Prada dupe, I would definitely suggest checking out Guess. I love Guess. I always shop at Guess. I just feel like they have cute things that are very inexpensive. I always shop there, especially for their purses. They also have good watches. When I went, they had just put out all of their new bags, and when I tell you, they had so many cute bags to look at, y'all. So if you are looking for a product dupe, I definitely suggest going to Guess and looking at their purses. I'm not sure if this exact purse came in another color, but I mean, it's just so cute, so who cares? So yeah, so we're going to go on to the next item. But once again, this is, I don't know the exact name, but I'm just gonna say that this is a product dupe from Guess. And if y'all want to see the inside, I actually already have a few things on the inside. I really just have my cards. I'm just trying to, this is how the bag looks in the inside. So I feel like it's really spacious. Okay, so we're moving on from purses now. Now we're going into shoes, and this is actually, well, this isn't our last summer item, but this is our last summer item that I actually purchased from this store. So these actually came from Aldo. I'm going to take their wrapper out because they actually look crazy with the wrapper in, but these are literally so freaking cute, y'all. Put up the name for y'all because I'm not 100% sure how to pronounce it. But these come in black, white, light pink, rose gold, and blue. The rose gold one actually has like glitter on it, and it's not this like Velcro color, but they do have a light pink color, which I actually might go back and get. These were $70, and these are actually, I would actually say that these would be another dupe for like the Chanel sandals, just because of like how the design is. Actually go onto the Aldo website, and they have so many shoe styles. I'm literally probably about to go get like 5 more pairs of shoes from them because their sandal selection is literally so cute. But yeah, so these shoes, they like, you know, strap like this, and they strap in the back. And I wear a size, I got these in a size 11 as well, and these actually fit perfect. They fit great, better, so much better than the Tory Burch sandals. And normally I would not return them, and I would just wear the stuff and just say forget it and be mad with these too little stuff. But I said that I'm done wasting my money on stuff, and I'm gonna return it, and I'm just gonna get something that actually fits and that I actually like, and I know that I'm going to wear all the time, which these are definitely gonna get wore out this summer. So if you are in the market for some cute sandals, I would definitely check out Aldo for these. Basically all of the summer purchases that I wanted to show you guys. I'm probably going to be making more purchases during the summer, which I probably show you guys in another video or in a vlog when I'm actually in the store shopping. I actually got a lot of clothes from Fashion Nova, and I wouldn't mind doing a plus size Fashion Nova haul, so comment down below if you would like to see that, because I did get some cute stuff. So yeah, I will do a try on haul, just let me know. So for the next summer must have, I have my Blinged Crocs. Y'all already know, excuse me because they are very dirty, but baby, you say what, we on our Nikki shit? Oh, okay, okay. Blinged Crocs, I mean, they basically speak for themselves, because if you don't want to wear this for the summer and look fine, I don't know what to tell you. These are actually my personal Crocs that I made last year. Y'all know that Nikki shut down the motherfucking Crocs site when she stepped out in her Crocs. So if y'all want to get a bling pair, make sure y'all check out my website at www.shopfucksluxe.com, and I will be dropping the link down in the bio. Now these are a pre-made pair that I actually already have on my website that are available for purchase right now, and I have another pair on my site as well. So if you guys are interested in your own personal pair of Crocs, please make sure that you go check out my website, because these are definitely the shoes for the summer. Even if you get the slides, they have the slides kind now, which I also can bling out, and they also have like the sandal kind now, which I can also bling out. So just make sure you guys check out my website. Yeah, so just make sure that you guys check out my website if you guys want to get you a bling pair of Crocs, because baby, when I'm telling you that these are the shoes of the summer, they are. I also sell individual Croc terms on my site, so if you don't want to get, you know, a whole pair of blinged out Crocs and you just want to bling your own Crocs out, I also have the Croc charms available. So yeah, best of both worlds, baby. Best of both worlds. I got it however you want it. But before I close out this video, I just want to show a few more accessories from my brand that I just feel like will be great for the summertime. Okay, so I just picked 3 random accessories to show you guys from my website because I literally have so much stuff to choose from. So for one, we have this J'adore hairpin, and I just feel like this will literally be so freaking cute. My ring light is literally so bright, but this would be so cute with any hairstyle for the summer. So definitely get y'all a hairpin. And then the next ones I'm going to show you are just these little Chanel earrings. My light literally is so bright, it doesn't want to show y'all. These Dior hoops. Those are just a quick little glimpse of accessories that I offer on my site that I just feel like will be perfect for the summer. I also have shades, new shades that will be coming in, but we do have shades on our site now. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure to also subscribe to my Instagram because I am trying to take my Instagram more seriously. I'm trying to post pictures, post outfit pictures for you guys, you know, just really give y'all the fashionista stuff that I know y'all want to see. I'm also trying to do more travel vlogging, so yeah, please make sure that y'all subscribe to my channel, follow my IG, and I will see y'all in the next video.